My name is Christian and I'll be teaching long division. So our first step up there is data for divide. So for division we have to say how many times does 3 go into 4? Or 4 divided by 3. And it only goes into it one time. So we put the 1 on top. Our next step is mom for multiply. So we do 3 times 1 and that equals 3. Our next step is sister, which is subtract. We do 4 minus 3, which is 1. And our next step is cool. We forgot to put compare on there. Don't judge us. So this is compare. And is 1 smaller than 3? Yes, it is. We're good to go. Now we do bring down. We bring down the 5, which is also known as brother. So that's 15 right now. Then we go all the way back. So it's like a repeating cycle. So until we get our final answer. Next is dad again. So we divide. This time it's actually 3 divided by 15, our bottom number. So 3 divided by 15. 15 divided by 3. It's 15 divided by 3. So that's 5. We put the 5 on top. And after you do 15 divided by 3, you do multiply, but then you do 3 times 5. You do 3 times 5, which is 15. So then you do put the 15 on the bottom of the other 15, and then 15 minus 15, this is a lot of 15s, it's 0. So then after you, after you subtract, you compare again, so it's definitely smaller than 3. We can bring down our 6, and this is just 6. Then we do it again. 3 divided by 6 is 2. We put the 2 on top. Then we multiply. Now it's 3 times 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. We put the 6 right here. We are totally out of it. So we put the 6 on the bottom. We'll do it right here. 6 minus 6 equals 0. And pretend that that's all at the bottom, but we ran out of space. So this is 0. Then we but there's nothing else to bring down. So we compare. So yeah, we compare, and it's smaller, and that's our final answer. 0 stands for no remainder. So if this is a 0, that means you did it all good. There's no remainder, 0 remainder. So your answer is up top, and that is 152. I always like to box my answer. And there you go. That's how you do long division.
Thank you for telling me how to do long division, Christian.
You're welcome, Johnny.